Hi, I'm going to show you how to determine how efficiently you've scheduled your Slurm jobs using the jobstats tool. And this is a tool, and it's from here. I'll paste the link in the description of this video. And here we're going to take a look at the procedure. So the procedure is that we need to obtain the CPU and memory usage of a job, and then we have some kind of procedure to determine how much cores we need to book. This video doesn't focus on this reasoning, that's another one, it's in the description too. I'm going to show you how to use this tool. And to do this, I'm going to use an HPC cluster that uses jobstats, which is in this case Rackham. So I'll even show you how to log into Rackham, not in too many details, but I will show you that you need to use, if you use a terminal like me, you need to use -X. Then you log in reshell at rackham.upmax.uu.se. I assume you are familiar with how to log in to Rackham using SSH. It works the same for all other Upmax clusters, and in general with SSH, this is how you do it. So now I'm logged in, and now it's finally time to plot the job stats of a job. And for this I have already prepared, I have found this job. So you need to type jobstats --plot and then the name of the job. I copy pasted it here. It can be another job, obviously. This needs to be your job, so I can use anyone's job because I'm a staff of Upmax and that's the people that maintain this cluster. Else you need to give in your own job ID. If I do ls now, this file is created for you, and you can use eorg, for example, to take a look at your resource usage of this job in time. It's important that this job needed to take at least 5 minutes, else it will not produce a job. It will not produce a plot. So this job used, ran 5 minutes. And it used 300% of the cores max. Also the memory only needed 3 cores. So it could reduce the number of cores by 1. Still, this is not a big abuse of your cores here. But yeah, you can definitely reduce it by 1 or 2 cores. Again, this video is not about how to interpret these plots. It is about how to get such a plot. Well, and obviously sometimes, like if I use, for example, a different job, or let's use not, if I plot to the job stats of another job, some of them are less than 5 minutes, so you'll get an error like maybe shown here now. We'll take a look. Yeah, alright, so here I get another successful job. I can see it because now this extra plot created. But if you use something like, for example, this one, I know this one won't work because I've tested this before the video. It will say something like, hey, so this job was completed. It took less than 5 minutes, so there is no plot produced. With this, I've shown you how to use jobstats to get the plots of, to get a plot for the CPU and memory usage of a job. And I'll show you in another video how to then navigate the reasoning, how to use your jobs optimally. With this I conclude this video. I wish you a very good day. Bye!